Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today lesson is days names. Just listen carefully and speak with me. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Sunday, Sunday. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Once again, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Third time again, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.